What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Jimbo. This is a quick tutorial on my 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse with a 3.0 V6. And this tutorial is how to get access to thermostat housing, to replace the thermostat or replace the housing with taking the least amount of things apart or off. First step, popping the hood. Excuse me for a second here while I prop this open. Just grab the handy flashlight. Oh, come on, dude. Stay put. There. Alright. So you're gonna need two sockets. First socket you're gonna need is your trusty 10mm. And right down here, you receive two bolts. One down here, and one right there, except for my bolt is missing, so that sucks. But anyways, that gives you access to your wiring harness. That gives you slack to work above your housing. Your housing is the nice shiny piece that I've replaced. Yours may be a little faded, but that's this piece right here. So after you gotten those two bolts off, the second thing you're gonna do, the third thing, is loosen your air intake. Get these clamps off. Fourth thing, unhook your mass airflow sensor wiring harness. So get this intake out of the way and just chill like that. Second socket you're going to need is a short 12mm socket. There's 3 bolts that hold on to the housing, so you can get a second friend, or you can have a screwdriver to kind of prop open the wiring harness, but that gives you access to your thermostat housing. Take that off. It's 3 bolts, one on the top, one on the right side, one on the left side, and one on the very bottom. But I've seen other videos on taking this off and taking hoses off. I'm like, no, just remove those 2 screws down here for the wiring harness to get access, to give it some wiggle room. Get the bots off. As I've seen other people taking off the whole air intake, I'm like, nah. This is how I did it. Just by doing this method, gives me full access to your housing to replace the thermostat or to replace the housing itself as well. Again, 3.0 V6. I'm sure we're at some price for vehicles too, through 2000 through 2005. I could be wrong. It could be 2006. But again, your thermostat housing, short well, 12mm socket, to get access to these 2 bolts down here, deep well 10mm socket on a 1/4-inch drive. That's all you need. That's all you need. Just these 2 things. Technically 3, but whatever, you know. And that's how you do it. That's how you get access to your thermostat housing, and go from there. Do the job. Probably I say the job to do the thermostat replacement. 15 minutes. In and out, 15-20 minutes to do all that. So hopefully you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, leave a like, do what you want. Hopefully this helps some people out, but this is my method on how I did my task to get a new thermostat and housing replaced. It's my old housing cracked and was spewing coolant everywhere. I ordered my stuff from Rock Auto because even the dealership here in my area, the thermostat housing's on backdoor. I can only get the thermostat, but the housing, nah, just go to Rock Auto. Hopefully you enjoyed. We'll see you all in the next one.